welcome to another episode of Literacy with Miss Lee and Moby. In this episode, I'm going to teach you a spelling rule, C or K. How do you know if a word starts with a C or starts with a K? You're about to find out. But before we start, you're gonna need two things. You need paper, pencil, or a crayon, something to draw and write with. So I'm gonna give you a little bit for you to get it. I have my paper here and my marker or pencil here. Are you ready to go? Let's draw. Let's see how well you are with following instructions. First, I want you to draw the letter C, just like this. Got it? Good. Now I want you to draw the letter A, two letter A's here. You ready? Just like that. Next, I want you to draw the letter O. Right here in the middle, kind of like if we're making a face. Do you see it? And last, I want you to draw the letter U as a mouth. But make sure it looks like a U. Now you're gonna get closest marker or crayon or whatever you have. I need you to get another color. Oops. And now we are going to finish the face off with another color. We're gonna draw ears. And 2 or 3 whiskers coming from that O that we drew. And there you have it, boys and girls, our cat. Now, our spelling rule for this is, if a word that starts with that K sound is followed by the A, an O, or a U, you spell it with a C. Let's try it. Ready? Let's spell the word cup. Ready? Tell me the phonemes in the word cup. P. Do you hear that K beginning sound? Then you hear the vowel sound? Right here. So because I hear that vowel and that beginning sound is a K, I know that K is going to be written as a C. So again, the word is cup. P. Ready? Let's try another one. I want you to spell the word cop. Cop. Let's say the phonemes. Are you ready? K, p, cop. Do you hear that medial sound? That vowel makes the sound. The short O, which is our nose. And it begins with a K sound. So we know that it's an O short vowel. It's spelled with a C. Cop. And let's try one more. I want you to spell the word can. So tell me the phonemes in the word can. K, can. Do you hear that short A sound in the middle? And that K at the beginning? So if you see the A at the beginning, at the middle, and it starts with a K, you know that K is spelled with a C. So the word is can. K, can. And there you have it. If your word starts with the K sound and it's followed by a O, or U sound, short sounds or long, you spell that K sound with a C for cat. So that's our first rule. Now let's go to the other rule because the K also makes that same k sound. So I'm going to erase my k at. And now I want you to draw with me. Are you ready? Let's draw the letter K. Easy. Now I want you to get that other color and we're gonna make this K into a kite. You ready? So we're gonna start off by closing. This, and we're going to make a cross like this, and we're gonna pretend it to be a kite. Now, as you've noticed, I don't have the best drawing skills, so work with me. And I'm going to draw the kite's tail. And there's our kite. Now, inside the kite, we're gonna draw two letters. Ready? You're gonna draw the I, or write the I, and the E. So can you guess when you would write the K at the beginning of a word that makes the K sound? Of course, after a E or an I. It could be long or short. So let's think of some words. I want you to spell the word kite. You ready? K-I-T. Kite. There's that I sound. Now spell the word king. Ready? Let's spell it out. King. Oh, there's that I again. And last one, ready? Let's spell the word keep. Keep. E. There's that E right there after or before the K, or after the K, I'm sorry. So, cat and kite. Remember that rule. So in the words that start with the K sound, and if they're followed by an A, an O, or a U, that K sound that K sound is spelled with a C. If the word starts with a K sound and it's followed by an E or an I, that K sound is represented with a K. Now you guys, I know you're gonna find some exceptions for the rules, but I want you to know that this rule applies to English words. So if you find some that do not follow that pattern, just get on Google or Yahoo or just look for it, research, and see where the origin of that word is, okay? So I hope you learned something today. Remember that K sound has a lot of use in spelling. So, gracias. Thank you for coming, and I will see you next time.